something like this, you know. Yeah, there you see, 1, 2, 3 in a very short period of time. And we have a lot of pickup trucks coming from behind, lowered in a Isuzu D-Max. Then another Toyota Hilux, all lowered, both lowered, single cab, 2-seater. They like their pickup trucks to be lowered too. They don't like 4-seater or 5-seaters. They like 2-seater because it's more practical. They want to carry load. They want to carry agricultural products like wood, hay, coconuts, and sometimes rubber. You know, solidified rubber, latex. Driving through the Camry from Malaysia up to Vientiane, Laos, and now back to Malaysia to Alloy Star in Changlon on the Alloy Star. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please like and subscribe to this channel, Victor ADS. Excessively durable sedans, SUVs, and sleepers. Look at that bike. It's not very fast. Thanks for watching.